Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. We're going to talk about integration today in this series. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give a brief overview in this video, while in the subsequent videos, I'm going to go in depth and pick each of them one by one. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to quickly just give a quick definition of integration. I'm going to discuss some concept I'm going to talk about. But before I do that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right. So if you have any question, don't forget to contact me. So when we talk about integration, integration is basically the reverse or opposite of differentiation. So before you can proceed in this video, please make sure you've gone back and reviewed the basic differentiation series, okay? Because it's important you understood that before you go to integration. All right, because I'm aware some of us do write, I'm going to write this down, okay? So integration is the reverse or opposite. So some textbook has different ways of writing this, but it's important that you use the right method, all right? So basically just the reverse or opposite, all right? So the reverse or opposite of differentiation. So basically, what I'm saying is that an integration is going to undo a differentiation. So integration will undo a differentiation. So that's the reason why I always advise that please, before you come back here or before you proceed with this video, please revert back to the basic differentiation series and try to understand it. All right. So what we're going to talk about today, all right? So what we'll discuss in this series. So what we're going to discuss, number one, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about the general form of integration. All right, so I'm going to talk about the general form of integration. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to talk about the rules of integration. So I'm going to do this with examples, okay? And approximately, if I can remember, I'm going to talk about 16 rules for this, all right? So I'll talk about 16 rules. Then after this, I'm going to talk about the types of integral form. So I'll talk about the types of integral form. So I'll talk about the definite and the indefinite integral form. And I'll also talk about the indefinite. Then I'll finish it up with some applications. So here I'll talk about different concepts like area under the curve. I'll talk about trapezium rule. So I'll talk about area under the curve. Okay. Then I'll talk about trapezium rule. Then I also talk about finding the equation of a curve from its derivative. Okay, so I'll find the equation of a curve from its derivative. So basically, this is what we're gonna do in this series. Okay, So don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload the new videos, you'll be the first person to know. So I'll talk about the general form of integration, the rules of integration, the types of integral forms, and also the applications of this. All right, so I'm going to see you in the next video where we talk about the general form of integration. All right, see you soon.